Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to create a simple theme leaf app by creating Spring Boot application. In this app, I am going to print the server time on the browser. Let's get started. Let's open your Spring Tool Suite. Click on File to create the project. Select Spring Starter Project. Give the project name as Time Leaf App. I will change the package name as com.timeleaf.demo. Now here we need to select the dependencies needed for our project. We need web dependency, so I am selecting Spring Web. See here we selected that. After that I need time leaf dependency. Select this. Now click on finish. See here our project is getting ready. It importing some content needed for our project. See here we got the project. Inside the source/main/java folder we have one package. Inside that we have one class. This class contains the main method. Now I will create another package here. com.timeleaf.demo.controller. Click on finish. Inside this package I will create one class. I gave the class name as demo controller. Click on finish. I need to make this class as a controller. To make the class as a controller, we need to give the @controller annotation. I am giving here @controller. Now I am creating one method here. Here I am creating the model object. Inside this model, I am adding the attribute here. Model dot add all attribute. Here I need to add the attribute. To print the date, I need to create the object of the date. This is our HTML file name. Now I need to give one mapping here. @get mapping. I gave mapping as /test. See here. First I created the one package. Inside that package I created one class. I made that class as a controller. Inside that controller I created one method. I gave get mapping for that method /test. Now I need to create one HTML file. To create the HTML file we need to go to this resource folder, source/main/resource. Inside that I am having one template folder. Inside this folder I need to create the HTML file. I gave the file name as hello.html. To use the time leaf in our project, we need to give this URL here. http://www.timeleaf.org. After this, create one header section here. Here I will give one title, Time Leaf Demo. Give the body tag here. Inside the body I will give one paragraph tag. Here I need to access the model attribute. Whatever the attribute I stored in the model, that I need to access here. The date I stored as the date. See in the controller. See here, I stored the attribute as the date. This attribute I need to access inside the HTML file. See here, I am accessing that. Now save this file. See here, First I created the one package here. After that, inside that package I created one class. Now I made that class as the controller. Inside that class I created one method. I gave the mapping for that method /test. Inside that method I wrote the code to add the date attribute into the model. After that I created one HTML file inside the template folder. Inside the HTML file I need to access the theme leaf, so I gave this URL to access the theme leaf into our project. After that, inside the body tag I gave one paragraph tag. Here I am accessing the model attribute. Whatever I stored inside the model, no, that I am accessing here. Now save the file. Now run the project. See, our project runs successfully. Go to the browser, write the URL as localhost :8081. This is the port number 8081 in my system. This server is running on the 8081 port number. After that, I need to give the test. That mapping we give to the method, no, that we need to give here. See, here we got the output. Now I will apply some CSS for this project. Go to our project, stop the server. I am going to apply some CSS style for our project. To give the CSS effect, we need to create the .css file, where we need to create inside the source/main/resource folder. We will be having one static folder. Inside that I will create one CSS folder. Inside this folder I will create one CSS file. Click on finish. I gave the font style as italic and gave the color as red. Now save this file. Now go to the hello.html file. Here I need to give the class name. For this class I gave the CSS effect inside that file, CSS file. Now I need to refer that file here. To refer the file I need to give the link tag. Inside that I gave the file name as /demo.css. Now I done with writing the code. First I created one CSS file. After that, inside that file I gave one class name. For that class I gave the effect. After that, inside the HTML file gave the class name as funny. For this class itself I gave the effect. After that I am giving the reference of that CSS file here. Now I will save this file, run the project. Our project got run here. Go to the browser. Now refresh the page here. See here, we got the output. Now I done with creating the simple theme leaf app by creating the Spring Boot application. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.